Hello my dear students. So yesterday nama Central Educational Minister has kept a meeting with the NTA team. Okay, so actually it is regarding nama Re-NEET 2026 da. So actually அந்த meeting la nama Educational Minister has given a lot of inputs, what to say nama Re-NEET. Okay, in the last 2026 la last May 3rd ku whatever happened அது repeat பண்ண கூடாது because it is happening. It is actually nama students oda mental health it is affecting a lot. So அந்த மாதிரி he has given a lot of inputs and also he has given the warning that and the madri nothing supposed to come this time. The Re-NEET 2026 has to go very smoothly. And adukapram da NTA has released. Okay, ipo neenga pathena site la you can see a press release. So adula you can see they are actually going to post senior officers from the government of India. Okay, so actually two joint secretary level as well as you can see two director level what to say officers da actually they are going to hire. So idula why actually in the oru change. Okay, and also you can see that they are going to hire CTO, CFO and general manager. Yena in the vati they don't want to repeat the mistakes that we have, I mean that they have done. Actually எப்பவுமே அப்படியே இருக்கணும்ல. So actually I just wanted to, I mean I should say I have a lot of respect to. They have made mistake ana and the mistakes they have made adukapram they are trying to correct it. Adu oru good thing da. So actually in the what they just wanted to make sure the what to say integrity, I mean nama exam la irukra exam integrity improve பண்றதுக்கு they will definitely try. அதுக்காக they are also setting up all those things and transparency improve ஆகணும். So in the oru வாட்டி they will definitely give more importance to integrity, transparency and also their operational what to say excellence எல்லாத்துக்குமே they will definitely give more importance. And also when they are, I mean, then when they are posting all these senior officers, they will also give us what is a sufficient amount of what to say that what to say, or they can just bring the administrative part to a next level. And a strong administrative background will definitely support this agency to handle the what to say all the things. And second thing is like this CFO, CTO, GM and these people can also help these agency NTA as in terms of what to say modernization of this process, and they can provide the best in class systems. Okay, that is what the thing. And also one more important thing, in the vaati nama security avlo super aga pore ena CTO they are hiring CTO, which means they will be definitely focusing on AI driven controls, including this impersonation detection, biometric face authentication and everything. So this will be make sure that definitely one student who are coming to the exam hall, they will get the justice. Okay, there is no such kind of malpractice will never happen this year. And also this new team, okay, or the two new members can help to reform the structure. Okay, to reform the structure. And definitely we know that next time when the CBT exam da, so adukku support பண்றதுக்கு in the new team nala it is possible. And also nama four senior officers avanga they are well experienced, so they can also give a lot of contributions. And this CTO, CFO and general manager definitely give leadership in terms of, as I mentioned, modernization, or let's say in the computer based test, also nama biometrics ellam, I mean in these categories they can also help the agency. So this is a good sign that this time we will get justice. So now the thing is like number problems. Okay, the finally the Re-NEET date also even confirmed. The admit card will be coming by June 14th. So ellame set da. Next nama oru mindset da. Okay, still if you are thinking like okay I can't, you are actually losing a second chance. Okay, so last time NTA madri we are also made some mistake, and the mistakes we cannot repeat it again. So it is the time to restart. You have to do it. Yena all the people, all the setup, all the what is surrounding things, the circumstance எல்லாமே இப்ப ready for the Re-NEET exam. இப்ப உங்களோட time தான் you have to restart the Re-NEET. And also இப்ப நீங்க பார்த்தேனா நம்ம YouTube, இந்த வீடியோட what is you can see on the description boxல நம்ம few links இருக்கு. அதுல first link என்னன்னா நம்ம Re-NEET examக்கு இருக்கிற free crash course தான். So அதுல நிறைய resources இருக்கு. So you can just access it. Don't forget. And thank you so much.